guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing a house tour. So as you can see, this is my house right now. Yeah, it kind of took a while for me to build this, but I hope you guys like it. So right now we're just gonna go to the garage first. So right here we have a lot of pictures. We have some little garage stuff, some paint, some spray paint, my car, some pipes, just because decoration. And over here I have a secret door. I open and it comes to a little basement, and I have a little dining area because over here is a game room. So it took me a while to build all these especially because some of these weren't really in the radar, which means I had to go through a lot of tutorials. And it's just a little game room with a little bar, a sitting area, a little lounge, decorative spot, the bathroom. It's cute. I didn't put too much work into it. I don't know what this room is supposed to be, like little sitting area, just talking, fountain, and over here says closed because it's a little movie theater. We have a little snack picture. I'm gonna fill these up with snacks like chicken stuff. These are a little like popcorn and ice cream, and a vending machine that actually doesn't work, but you know what's cute? We have a hallway to the first cinema, which is 2 people per aisle, like that. Speakers and stuff. A lot of movies. We have a lot of movies. Alarms, stuff like that. Trash cans for after the movie. And then these are single seaters and doesn't need a lot of speakers because it's just like everybody can see and stuff. So these are cute. They weren't big enough like TVs just to hang on the wall, so I didn't do those. And that's the whole basement part. I'll see you when I get back up. Okay, so we're back at the entrance. So here's my entrance. I have some like the light switches. We have a little coat hanger and a little praying area. This is really cute idea because it's kind of cute. Over here we have a bathroom. Here is a little fun idea for a wall. Just change a different color and then you can add a lot of shelves and different decoration. Behind the wall is a little living room area, a large TV, and little living room area. I haven't changed the pictures, but Then in this room we have a little lounge area / music room / having fun room. This is that room. In here we have my office. The reason I have Victoria's Secret in the wall, like the picture behind, you might think that's kind of weird. Well, my friends always make fun of me that that's my the economy and stuff. So yeah, that's why I put that there. We have a little sitting area at the hallway. This is the backyard, which we're gonna show at last. This is my kitchen. Over here you have a little table area where you sit and a TV to watch TV while you're like eating. Here's the little pantry, which is not finished. For roleplay, it's gonna be really good. And here's a kitchen area, big fridge, stuff, cups, the normal stuff for kitchens. And I have privacy blinds because every house has a lot of windows, should have blinds or curtains. So that was that. And then in the dining area, we have the shelf, the flashlights for role plays, more pictures, and another shelf, a little seating area at the back, a beautiful picture, some waterfalls right here, which I thought was pretty creative to put some there because it looks pretty nice, and then a large dining table. How to have some. So in the upstairs, when you go upstairs, you have a little seating area with a aquarium in the back, and here's the just areas. And then over here we have a bathroom for anyone that just wants to use it. Over here is the kids' room, which is good. Here's a little I don't know what you would call it, a little playhouse for them. They can bring their toys in and just play. It's nice. We have a little changing area. This is meant for babies, a banana, their cribs, a little thing. I was trying to build like something here, but it didn't work out. Their closet, which has some shoes and some clothes. They're babies, so I could dress them. A little hallway decorations. It's the gym with some SpongeBob. Some fountains at the edge. Oof, the lights aren't turned on. I'm sorry, guys. So, a little study room, because everybody needs a study room at their house, just because, like, if you're doing roleplay, it would be really good. Here we have a washing room with like everything, essentials, everyone's great and stuff. We skipped my room, so let's go into that. Here's a little entryway. We have a little sitting area where you can just sit and read books and stuff. I put this for different flooring. And here's where I get ready in the morning. My mirror to check myself before I go out. Over here is my bathroom, which the lights are not turned on. Did I forget to add the lights? I totally did. Here's a little shelf with all my towels and stuff. And here is a bathroom, which is like pretty cool because it's like two sinks, and I just built this by myself. Here's the sinks with the lights on top of the mirror. It's pretty cute, pretty cute, pretty cute. I have an aquarium because everybody needs one. And I didn't know what to do with the wall. My sleeping area with some shelves inside. It's cute. The watch TV area with a mirror just to like wake up and see how crazy I am. A little, what's it called? A desk. In here, I definitely added a attention here, is a music room / sit down chilling area. And here is my closet, with a bunch of shoe racks and different types of clothes. And over here is my balcony. It's cute, you know. And then walking over here, we have a little seating area with some shelves. This hallway is pretty cute. This is the guest bedroom, which is sort of my brother's room, which I still need to change. He did this. I don't like it, so I don't show it. Over here is my friend's room / godsister's room. As you can tell, she's really good at building stuff, so then her closet's in here. Pretty cute. And then this is her balcony, which she did. And then we have a little, like a teenager kid still in the phase of that. Like a toddler room. Not baby room, but a toddler. But the same idea of building that, but a bit brighter, because I don't think babies really care. And then in here is a little, bedroom too. She likes it bright, so that's why I have the lights turned off. I don't like it bright because I don't think it looks good bright. And then a little music area. Oh my gosh, she didn't have lights, but it's pretty dark in here. And then her closet, which she built. I built the study room for her, so I'll see you in my back. Okay, so now I skipped this during the beginning because it goes to my backyard. So here we go. At this, here we have some plants. At this side we have a little eating area with a picture that says "Eat It" and a little bar area because I think it's pretty cute. I have a phone here also because I don't want to make food. Over here we have a little, like after you're done with the pool, you just dry yourself here and just watch TV. And you also have a little fireplace to do s'mores. I don't think these are placed right, so I have to fix that. And then when we're going around, we have a little thing. And then we have some hammocks, a little fountain with the a little pathway to go to my greenhouse, a DIY roof, which is made of glass, what's it called? Glass tables, which I think is a pretty cool idea. Over here is a little eating area outside, a little dining room area that takes a lot of space for just one to use. We have a little soccer court thing, you know, for like the kids. Did you guys hear that? Okay. And then over here, I don't think you can see this, but it's actually a trampoline. It got things here. It's too dark to see, but it's like a little jump thing. Then we have a little swings. I wish we actually had swings. Some toys for the kids to play with, and monkey bars. These are all DIYs, as you can tell. And then over here is a large pool area. So right here is a DIY rug, which actually didn't turn out that good, but you know, still do. We got some pans, flashlights again because role plays. A lot of towels for anyone to pick with and stuff. A little seating area with the tables for them the kids to bring food in. We have lights surrounding the what's it called, pool. We go seating area. Over here, as you can tell, there's a glass way and there's stairs. So the stairs are for you to climb up the mountain thing, as you can tell. Doesn't the back didn't color. We have some walls, and then we just jump into the pool. A little climbing area for you to just also just slide down. Oh, I smacked my head. We have different levels of pool, and then just sit at the floaties, and you're just like a little cute person. So, well, basically the fountain's pretty big, as you can tell. It's a mountain fountain, I don't know what you call it. And that's my entire house. I hope you guys like my house tour. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like this video. And please tell me if you like my house and would like to see role plays in Bloxburg or different role plays in like different places. I have ideas for role plays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys liked my house. Please hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!